Hi there. Today I have some carrots, some maple ginger glazed carrots. And I think just in time for your Easter dinner, because I think whether you're having lamb or ham, these carrots will be a perfect side dish. I'm going to use my 12-inch cast iron skillet here. You really want these to have a lot of space and not be on top of each other. I'm going to put this into my oven, turn my oven on 425 degrees. And you're going to want 1 to 2 inch piece of ginger, fresh ginger, and we're just going to mince that. I'm going to also mince 1 clove of garlic. Then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of, I'm using tamari, you can use your soy sauce. And one of the other stars of the show is maple syrup. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. 1.5 tablespoons of avocado oil. I'm going to do my white pepper here, and I'm going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon, and then I'm going to do 1/2 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. Now I think because you got a lot of sweetness in here, you do have a bite from that ginger, but I think just a little pinch of red peppers is kind of nice here. This is optional, but it kind of helps balance between that sweetness. Now I'm going to add my carrots in here once I have it all whisked up, and as soon as I hear the ding that my oven is hot, we're going to pull that skillet out and add our carrots to it. One thing that I love about cooking is just your ability to play with ingredients, add ingredients, take away ingredients. And I just now thought, you know what, this could use some brightness of some citrus. So I'm going to zest this orange, and then we're going to cut it in half and roast it with our carrots. My skillet is nice and hot. The oven just came up to temp. I'm going to add my carrots. Move these around because I want them again to have their own space. And I'm going to take these oranges and just kind of nestle them in here. Now I'm going to go about 30 minutes in that oven, and I'm going to stir halfway through. So mine have been 25 minutes, and honestly, I kind of think they're perfect. Nice and tender. I'm going to take these oranges and have this hot caramelized orange juice that I am going to squeeze over them. And then I'm going to add a pat of butter to this and just kind of let that melt into them. Now I just did a pound, and quite frankly I think Billy and I are going to devour all of these. So if you got a big crowd, this is easily doubled or tripled. But honestly, I think they're going to be perfect anytime, not just for Easter. Delicious. I'll see y'all later. Bye.